Nicole Kidman brought the heat in a skin-tight dress as she cozied up with Troye Sivan in the singer's new music video, She's the Best. The Big Little Lies actress, 59, made a striking appearance in the video, wearing a sleek black dress paired with an oversized glamorous coat, leather gloves, and dark sunglasses. Her look gave her character an effortlessly mysterious, old Hollywood-inspired quality as she moved through the city before arriving at a buzzing nightclub. In the video, Kidman is seen confidently walking down the street while smoking a cigarette before making her way into the club, where Sivan and a group of drag queens are performing. Among the performers is Sasha Colby, the season 15 winner of RuPaul's Drag Race. The song itself paints a playful and exaggerated portrait of an unforgettable woman. Sivan sings about a glamorous nightlife figure who seems impossible to ignore, describing her distinctive style, confidence, and exhausted but fabulous lifestyle. As the chorus kicks in, Sivan repeatedly sings "That girl" before delivering the ultimate compliment. Wow. That girl / she's the best. Kidman then takes center stage inside the club. Sitting front and center, she watches Sivan's performance while casually sipping a cocktail. But the atmosphere changes when she begins flirtatiously motioning for him to come closer. The pair eventually hold each other close and dance together, their faces nearly touching. Kidman also gets her own moment to shine on the dance floor, swaying to the music as Sivan dances behind her. The unexpected pairing immediately caught fans' attention online. One fan admitted that seeing Kidman in a Troye Sivan music video was completely unexpected, writing that it was not on my bingo card, but adding that they absolutely loved the collaboration. Another fan jokingly suggested that Sivan had arrived at the perfect moment to bring Kidman into the spotlight, while another praised the video as an ode to women and femininity. The reactions continued, with one viewer calling the song and video a diva worship national anthem. Another praised Sivan for capturing femininity in an intimate and genuine way, particularly through the different characters and personalities featured throughout the video. For many viewers, however, the collaboration was more than just a surprise celebrity cameo. It represented a reunion between two Australians who have already shared the screen. Sivan and Kidman first crossed paths when they both appeared in the 2018 film Boy Erased, based on Gerard Conley's memoir. Kidman played the mother of a closeted gay teenager, portrayed by Lucas Hedges, while Sivan appeared as one of the young people Hedges' character encountered at a conversion therapy program. Years after working together on the film, Sivan clearly still had enormous admiration for Kidman. "She's always just been such a picture of the divine feminine to me," the singer reportedly told Rolling Stone when discussing the Oscar-winning actress. That admiration ultimately helped inspire Kidman's appearance in the music video. Sivan recalled sending Kidman the song and sharing visual references for the project. Then, unexpectedly, his phone rang during a Zoom meeting. The call came from an unknown number, so Sivan initially ignored it. But when he saw the voicemail transcription beginning with a message from Nick, everything changed. He reportedly recognized Kidman immediately and was so excited that he ended his meeting. The story gives the collaboration an even more personal touch. Rather than simply casting a major Hollywood star for publicity, Sivan was bringing in someone he already knew and admired from their previous work together. And Kidman certainly seemed comfortable stepping into the colorful, theatrical world of the video. From her glamorous black outfit to her confident dance moves and playful interaction with Sivan, the actress fully embraced the concept. The result is a music video that mixes fashion, nightlife, drag performance, humor, and celebrity chemistry into one highly stylized package. It also shows a different side of Kidman, who has spent decades moving between blockbuster films, prestige television, and experimental projects. Her willingness to play along with Sivan's creative vision adds another memorable chapter to her already varied career. For Sivan, meanwhile, the collaboration creates plenty of anticipation for his upcoming music. His forthcoming album, She's the Best, is scheduled to arrive on October 9th, giving fans plenty of reason to keep watching as the project develops. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.